Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Well, I got a good one for you today. I need you to put your comments down in the comment section and let me know what you think about what I'm about to tell you. My whole life, I've always been told that there's an electric drill that has a motor in it. Internal combustion, that is an engine. Here's the part that's kind of a little bit of a dilemma for me. Here's a chainsaw right here. I have heard people say my chainsaw engine doesn't work or my chainsaw motor doesn't work. Electric drill, electric tool, I've heard people say the motor doesn't work. I have never in my life ever heard somebody say my electric drill's engine doesn't work. Why is that? Is it a motor or an engine? Is it a motor or an engine? Fire your comments down. Debate all you want. I want to see that. Just remember, keep it clean, keep it respectful and all that stuff. But before you put your comments down, I'm going to throw this into the mix. This is the reason why I started thinking about this video. Look at this. 10W30 motor oil. I bought that for my truck and I'm like, my truck doesn't have a motor on it. It's an engine. Or is it? Fire up the comment section, everybody. Cheers. Steve out.